The charging hub can charge batteries, accumulate power from multiple batteries to one battery, and supply power to external devices. Mount the battery to the charging hub, and then press the battery until you hear a click. To remove the battery, press and hold the battery release button and push the battery downward. When using the DJI Mavic 240-watt power adapter via the mini SDC port, it can charge 3 batteries simultaneously. The charging hub first charges the battery with a low battery level to the same level as other batteries, and then fully charges the 3 batteries simultaneously. You can also charge other devices through the USB-C port of the charger. In this case, the battery charging time will increase. When using the DJI 100-watt USB-C power adapter and the other USB charger, the battery with the highest power level will be charged first, and then the rest will be charged in sequence according to their power levels. During charging, the status LED shows the current status. The status light blinks green, indicating that the charging hub is charging. The LED turns solid green when the batteries are fully charged. The batteries can be stored in the charging hub after charging. With batteries inserted, the hub can be used as a power bank to supply power to external devices. Batteries will be discharged based on their battery levels from the lowest to the highest supplying power to the external device such as phones and laptops. Connect the external device to the USB-C port of the charging hub. Press the function button and the status LED will turn solid green, indicating that the hub has started charging. To stop charging the external device, disconnect the external device from the charging hub. The charging hub has a power accumulation feature, which can transfer the remaining power from low-power batteries to the battery with the highest power, enabling quick access to a high-power battery for flight. Insert multiple batteries into the charging hub. Press and hold the function button until the status LED turns green. The status LED of the charging hub pulses green, and the power accumulation is started. To stop accumulating power, press and hold the function button again until the status LED turns yellow. After accumulating power, charge the battery with the lower power level as soon as possible to avoid over-discharge.